नाज़रीन, कश्मीर की स्टार्टअप की दुनिया में जब हम बात करते हैं टेक्नोलॉजी, उसके साथ हम फैशन और उसके साथ हम फिर ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग की बात करें, ये 3 चीज़ें मिलाना एक अजूबा सा लगता है। हमारे यहाँ टेक्नोलॉजी और उसके ऊपर फिर एआई की टेक्नोलॉजी भी जब साथ मिल जाए तो एक तो बड़ी नई चीज़ सामने आ सकती है। ये सब कुछ हो चुका है। हमारे पास आज बैठे हुए हैं विपिन राज सिंह जी, जो इस दुनिया के एक ना खिलाड़ी बन गए हैं। इन्होंने एक कंपनी बना रखी है और अब इस कंपनी का यही रोल है, इन्होंने इन सारी चीज़ों को एक जगह इकट्ठा जमा कर लिया है और एक कमर्शियल कंपनी और एक प्रोडक्ट तैयार करने की आजकल कोशिश कर रहे हैं। तो हम उनसे आपका तारुफ कराते हैं। विपिन राज सिंह जी, आपका खुशामदीद है। यू कैन स्टार्ट विद योर ओन इंट्रोडक्शन। कहाँ से पढ़े लिखे हैं, कहाँ से हैं आप, और इस सफ़र को आज तक जो तय किया उसमें क्या-क्या हमारे लेके?
ठीक है। First of all, thank you for having me here. Uh, I am Vipin Raj Singh. I run a startup called Jinko Mage Private Limited. सफ़र की शुरुआत की बात की जाए तो आई एम अ कॉलेज ड्रॉप आउट which every tech guy is supposed to be. So I was in university, then I left the college, BTech especially engineering. Then I went for pursuing my own career, which is in photography and the media. For that I went to New Zealand, जहाँ पे मैंने 2 साल पढ़ा। तो वहाँ से ही मुझे अपने करियर में एक चेंज लगा एंड आई स्टार्टेड लाइकिंग इट एंड आई देन आई वर्कड इन कॉर्पोरेट फॉर फ्यू इयर्स। फिर उसके बाद आई स्टार्टेड अ मीडिया प्रोडक्शन हाउस इन कश्मीर।
Oui.
I registered the company in Kashmir. It was a whole remote model because back then COVID was going on. So back then we generated a revenue of around 1 CR. Money. So after that, we saw a change in the overall media industry and photography and all the industry that it's in decline and AI is on uprise. तो वहाँ से हमें लगा कि हमें कुछ डिफरेंट करना चाहिए बट वी डिडंट वांटेड टू डू लाइक अ जनरल स्टार्टअप्स जैसे कर रहे हैं। जनरेटिव एआई आप देखो आजकल हर जगह जनरेटिव एआई आ
एक बार है।
सो वी वांटेड टू डू समथिंग डिफरेंट। तो उसके लिए वी थॉट कि हम किस में करें, सो हम वी वर ऑलरेडी वर्किंग इन फैशन ई कॉमर्स हाउसेस एंड ऑल
नहीं,
and that's where we decided that we want to change the overall experience of shopping. And how do we want to do it? That's where our startup comes in.
ओके। तो अब ये स्टार्टअप बन चुका है, कंपनी रजिस्टर हो चुकी है।
Exactly.
अपने को-फाउंडर्स के बारे में बताइए और कौन-कौन लोग हैं, वो कहाँ के हैं?
जी सर। So हमारी कंपनी में one co-founder at I'm the founder and then there's one more founder, Mr. Daniele Longo. He's from Italy. I met him back in New Zealand. He was a professor in my university.
अरे! with your teacher and
Yeah,
student
yeah.
relation.
Yes, it has changed. It has the same narrative but a different
हुँ,
perspective. So वहाँ से हमारी I would say the bond and relationship की शुरुआत हुई।
हुँ।
तो आफ्टर दैट डैनिले का एक्सपीरियंस एजुकेशन में, एडवर्टाइजिंग में, मार्केटिंग में, इनफैक्ट प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट में भी काफ़ी रहा है, इंटेंसिव रहा है। ह्यूज 25 years of experience. तो being a guy in media industry and understanding photography and understanding aesthetics of clothing on the body and all, so he was the perfect guy to start this kind of business with. Then the other co-founder that we have is a technical co-founder. His name is Jonah Murphy. He's from Auckland. Uh, उनका बैकग्राउंड वीएफएक्स, 3D और एआई पाइपलाइनिंग में है।
जी।
सो ही ऑल्सो ब्रिंग्स अ ह्यूज एक्सपीरियंस ऑन बोर्ड। सो दिस इज वेयर द टी स्टैंड्स
Okay.
एंड या
So what is the problem that you're solving? Is it a problem which is localized or is the problem global? What is the perspective?
okay, so the problem that we are trying to solve on its core is the return. Everyone who is in the industry of fashion e-commerce would understand that the returns is a huge curse in the industry. So when we order some clothes, we didn't like it, we just said it. That's the process that we know of. But what happens in the back end, we don't know of. So this whole industry is around $800 billion right now, the fashion e-commerce. And the if a CAGR with a CAGR of 10.25%, in 2027, this industry would be around $1.3 trillion industry. It's a huge industry. And the overall loss in this industry just because of returns that we do without knowing is around $200 billion in logistics, in cataloging, and maintaining the warehouses, and in back and forth. This whole at
You mean the loss is occurred to the business owner?
exactly
Oh,
businesses. So, but there's other loss that no one speaks about is the loss for users' experience.
okay.
Like you. every user who goes to shop online has a lifetime value for that particular business.
Correct.
So if you do not like the clothes that particular brand is sending you, with that brand has, I would say, does not have much control about it, because you are the one who's choosing that particular size.
Correct.
So वो जब आपके पास आता है, आपके पास वो ऑप्शन नहीं है, बट आपका एक वो लॉन्ग टर्म वैल्यू जो है, जो ब्रांड के साथ है, वो डिमिनिश होता है। तो एक लॉस और है, इट्स जस्ट अ साइकोलॉजिकल लॉस नो वन स्पीक्स अबाउट, इज दैट। सो बिज़नेसेस को तो लॉस होता ही होता है, बट आपका भी एक लॉस होता है कि आप उस ब्रांड के साथ और नहीं जुड़ना चाहते, क्योंकि आपको लगता है ये हमेशा मेरे को गलत ही कपड़े पहनने हैं, कि मेरा
ऐसा लग रहा है।
नहीं आ रहा, ये नहीं आ रहा। सो फिट एंड साइज इज द सेकंड इशू दैट वी वांट टू सॉल्व। द फर्स्ट इशू दैट वी वांट टू सॉल्व इज रिटर्न्स।
तो ओवरऑल अगर सॉल्यूशन बताएं, सॉल्यूशन है क्या?
ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वांट टू टेल यू दैट कि ये जो ओवरऑल प्रॉब्लम है, दिस इज नॉट लोकल, दिस इज ग्लोबल, एंड एवरीवन इज फेसिंग इट, यूजर एंड बिजनेसेस। So, how we want to solve it? We want to solve it by tackling the core of this problem, which is the experience. Because 1998 से अभी तक हम जैसे ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग करते आ रहे हैं फैशन की, इट्स सेफ। आप वही 3-4 इमेजेस देखते हैं,
हाँ,
फिर
आपको
वो
वहाँ से चूज़ करना होता है।
फिर वो आते हैं आपके पास, अब आपके पास है वो, जब आपके पास पहुँचता है वो एक गेम होती है, गैबल होता है कि लगेगा, फिट होगा, नहीं होगा तो आप वापस भेज।
रिटर्न दे रहे हैं।
इनफैक्ट ये इतना ज़्यादा आगे बढ़ चुका है कि कई लोग 3-3 4-4 साइज़ेज़ ऑर्डर करते हैं, जो उनको बढ़िया लगता है वो रख लेते हैं, बाकी बिकॉज़ फ्री रिटर्न है, सो नो वन केयर्स। सो तो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कैसे की जाए? तो वी लुक्ड इनटू इट, एंड वी फाउंड आउट दैट इन इट्स कोर इट्स द एक्सपीरियंस दैट वी वांट टू चेंज, द फर्स्ट थिंग। Because the overall design of this, we do not want it to be derived by tech. Tech is gonna be the part of it, but the overall experience that comes to is gonna be the change. So we thought about it, and the thing that we are gonna develop is a tool which helps you create your digital avatar, and then you project the clothes on yourself using AI.
Right. It's like a lens card kind of a thing.
Exactly, but
Have you added something more?
yeah. So what Lenskart does is, it's called AR. It's called augmented reality, which is much easier to do. Okay, we can do it with tools as well, but with Lenskart it's much easier because it's just a standard object. But with clothes, it's a lot of factors that come in: the flow of the cloth, the fabric, the color, all those things all together.
Variations change a lot.
Yeah.
Investor.
And all those things make you decide to go for that particular product or not. In glasses, you just see glasses, shape, and then but in clothes, it's much different. So AR wouldn't be viable here. So what you require is some other technology, and what other tech is currently which can fix this is called AI. But to have a program that can solve this problem precisely would require a lot of data. So this is where we are right now.
पहले प्रोडक्ट की बात करें। प्रोडक्ट क्या है आपका? अगर हम कोई किसी को कहें कि ये प्रोडक्ट बेच रहे हैं, क्या है प्रोडक्ट?
So the product is gonna be a tool. Either it's gonna be implemented inside the website, or it's gonna be used as a standard program where the websites or the e-commerce businesses could come in and onboard it. Which we haven't decided, but we are inclined more towards the first model, which is implementing the tool in their source code.
Okay.
So the product is gonna be where you take your pictures, few pictures of yourself. It will generate a 3D model of you. Okay. Once that 3D model is generated, then you can choose your avatar style. You can choose your hairstyle. You can choose maybe a tattoo, maybe a body art, maybe something. Okay. And then the other things that are gonna come together is the ability to try on the cloth, and with AI, it's gonna project on you, and through that, and in 3D.
Okay.
And through that you can see if that cloth looks good on you, if the colors look good on you. And then later on we are also pitching in for features like virtual wardrobe,
Okay.
multiple website try on.
What does that words for more wardrobe?
So it's a great feature that we are very keen about. So let's say you like a coat, and then you want it to be paired with a pair of jeans, and you can do it. And we are not limiting it to one website. We're trying to push it to different websites as well. Maybe you like a coat on Myntra, and then you go to Ajio and you like a hat there. Why don't you try mix and match these two things?
Okay, that can be possible on the website
Exactly.
itself. Yeah, okay. तो ये बताइए कि आपके कस्टमर कौन है? अगर टेक्निकली देखा जाए कि कस्टमर आपका कस्टमर होगा जो सीधा है, या योर कस्टमर इज़ अ बिज़नेस प्लेस? व्हाट इज़ इट?
So this is a very amazing question, and we think that we do not want to restrict ourselves right now. We think the major customer that we will have is businesses. So probably to be model, but we are not limiting ourselves to the businesses only. We think that a customer who's buying online is also going to be our customer. As I said, as I talked about features, so what we can do, we can have seasonal passes for the customers, where they can uh, try and buy that particular pass, and then let's say Marvel's movie, a new movie come in, and Thor movie is there, so we can give them opportunity to for their avatar to have an animation with Thor's hammer. So that's something that we are very keen about. It's a very dynamic and gamifying picture that we are making. So the two industries that we think we are inspired from is the social media and the gaming industry.
Okay. That will be another step up. We have placed the basic element in position. मुझे ये बताइए आपकी रीच कितनी है? मतलब आपका टोटल मार्केट क्या देखते हैं आप?
Oh, so when we researched about it, we went global because this is a problem that's a global problem. So, an industry of $800 billion and a SAM of around $122 billion to $6 billion. If we just target a small region in US, if we just target even a 5% of it, we're still talking millions.
It is.
So I think the market is huge, and the opportunity is huge in this.
कब तक आप वहाँ पहुँचेंगे ये आपको टारगेट मार्क?
So we are trying to do this in. We try to develop our. Currently, we are in prototyping stage in our MVP,
ये
and we are trying to reach this goal in 4 months.
और मत
Develop our MVP, and beyond that, we want to go and develop this whole thing in at least 2 years.
ओके.
Yeah, a full plan.
When it will be fully operational.
Yes.
अभी क्या पोजीशन है? अभी क्या स्टेटस है टेक्नोलॉजी का?
So we have developed a demo. We have developed actually one demo, and there's one more prototype of it where we can do the things with AI. So we have two different type of things that we had developed. One is with the overall experience, and the other one is with AI. Because AI one is the one that's going to take time.
Okay.
Because a lot of we have to build up a database.
Yeah.
Because this is not going to be another startup with a chat GPT and a wrap around it. So you're trying to do it from code.
तो ये बताइए अभी तो ये पोजीशन है, तो आगे मान लीजिए आप 2 साल तक आप मतलब फुल फ्लेज्ड आपके साथ ही जो करना है आप, तो आपने अभी तक कहीं एक्यूमुलेशन की है, सम अर्ली बर्ड्स यू हैव कॉट कुछ है ऐसा?
Exactly. So there are certain businesses that we are currently doing businesses with. One of them is Numi Asia. So we are trying to, and we think that they will be pretty keen with us to being an early bird. So having few early birds with us is always a good thing to run our pilots and all. So yeah, we have few.
ठीक है. कंपनी आपकी रजिस्टर हो चुकी है,
Exactly, sir.
तो उसके आगे क्या-क्या किया हुआ है फॉर फंडिंग और फॉर गेटिंग नेटवर्क्ड?
So we are actively looking for grants, and we are
Hmm.
also looking for funding opportunity, maybe from angel investors and all. So that's what we are targeting right now. We are not going for any debenture
No.
right now, but that's our focus, so that we can utilize those things later when we need it. But right now we are just focused on grants and getting funding from some angel investor.
ये तो है लग रहा है डिसरप्टिव है,
Hmm.
डेफिनिटली. बट देयर वुड बी प्लेयर्स विद डीप पॉकेट्स वुड आल्सो बी थिंकिंग ऑन सिमिलर लाइन. डू यू सी एनी कंपटीशन?
I think this question is the most asked question to me. So so there are people like Amazon, like even Mintra, they have deep pockets, they can do that, but they're never going to sell that tool to the lower segment of the market,
ओके.
which is where we want to be the top player. And I think even if we tap the lowest 5% of the market, which covers Farfetch, Shein, even Numi,
Hmm.
all these market, we can still talking million. We still talking in millions,
Yeah.
billions and millions. So
आपके जो कस्टमर होंगे, एक तो बी2बी मॉडल है आपका, बट देयर कस्टमर्स, डू यू थिंक दैट इज़ द एलीट क्लास दैट यू आर टारगेटिंग और दिस जनरल क्लास दैट विल बी बेनिफिट?
no, I think our model is very dynamic. We're not targeting any classes in it, but I think if we talk about straight up with 5% is, I think it's gonna be Gen Z. It's gonna be a lot of millennials in that, is there? So we do not have a segmented market that he and does or not. No.
Does it price tag to any product general pricing?
No. So one thing that we want to make sure that people understand is this is going to be a free tool for users. Maybe it's going to cost businesses to implement in that, but for users, it's going to be a free tool for them to enjoy additional features. They are going to have to spend some money, like features like wardrobe, or we can launch seasonal passes. Like we have this, as I said, that we want to gamify this and we want to incentivize this. So let's say your return rate is less than 6% this whole year. We will unlock this feature for you for next 6 months.
ओके.
So keep that.
ये बताइए यहाँ के इकोसिस्टम की बात करते हैं जहाँ पे आप काम कर रहे हैं जी. इस इकोसिस्टम में आपके आने से आपको क्या लगता है कितनी वैल्यू एडिशन हो रही है?
Uh, so I think Kashmiri, if we talk about Kashmir, right?
हुँ,
So Kashmir में जो general startups हैं, they mostly like traditional startups are like uh, dry fruits, handicraft, and all. A startup like this will change mindset for masses.
हुँ,
Having a startup based like this from Kashmir will definitely give wings to a lot of people who thought that this is not possible. Funding is not possible for a
हुँ,
Kashmiri to have this big of a vision. I think this is going to change the mindset of the people, first of all.
करेक्ट,
And the second thing is that if this kind of model goes off, we have a lot of talented people here. And it's also going to generate a lot of resources and a lot of employment in the Kashmir.
करेक्ट। व्हाट इज़ गोइंग टू बी योर नेक्स्ट माइलस्टोन?
So for now, we are very focused on developing the MVP. After MVP, the next goal that we have is getting full-fledged funding
हुँ,
once we have enough traction on the platform.
ओके। प्रोडक्ट बन जाएगा, एमवीपी बन जाएगा। हाउ मच टाइम विल देन टेक टू द एक्चुअल प्रोडक्ट?
So I think if we have the MVP now and if we get funded or if we sit in for first few rounds of the funding, I think within 1 or 2 years we will be able to develop something that is gonna be market ready
हुँ,
and can generate enough revenue for us to iterate upon that, because we do not want that 0 to 100 point. We want this to be ever iterating model of this developer. So I think if we have 1 or 2 years to develop this, we will have enough time for this to be market ready, and then we can just iterate upon the versions.
थैंक यू वेरी मच। हम तो उसके बाद ये जब ये माइलस्टोन तय होगा उसके बाद और बात करेंगे।
Definitely.
तो हम चाहेंगे वी विश यू गुड लक और जल्दी-जल्दी आपकी ये ग्रोथ हो जाए।
Thank you for having me.
नाज़रीन, हमने टेक्नोलॉजी पे तो यहाँ पे बहुत कम बात होती है, बल आपके यहाँ इस बहस से या गुफ्तगू से आपको पता चल गया होगा, कश्मीर टेक्नोलॉजी में पीछे नहीं है। एक्चुअली आवर पीपल आर लुकिंग एट द ग्लोबल मार्केट। तो हम पूरी अब हम उम्मीद रखते हैं कि ये स्टार्टअप उस लेवल पे जल्दी से जल्दी आ जाए और कश्मीर का नक्शा भी उससे पूरी दुनिया में आ जाए कि टेक्नोलॉजी इज़ कमिंग आउट ऑफ द वैली। थैंक यू वेरी मच। आपका शुक्रिया।